Well, we got a rabbit. You can see how brilliant I've drawn it here, and you can see the ears really clear. Let's expand it so you can see what a fantastic artist I am. Here's a rabbit with big ears. Looks more like a cat, I know. But anyway, this rabbit is actually attached, and that's about as good as I'll ever get it. Big tail, I guess, big feet, there we go. There's your rabbit. It's connected to a wall that is 3 meters before the end, but the rope itself is actually 4 meters. So we have a 4-meter rope. And the question is, how much of area of grass does this rabbit have to eat? We have to think of what would happen. 3 meters, it would be able to go 4 meters on here. It's a much longer wall than I've actually sketched it. The wall sort of goes on forever and ever. But it would be able to go 4 meters, 4 meters, 4 meters, 4 meters. Then it would come over here and there'd be a meter left. So here would be a little extra circle where the rabbit could go an extra meter around the corner. So if it was to go from the outer limit here of 4 meters, and it had a 4-meter rope, so the other side I'd have an extra meter here. So what's the area that of grass that the rabbit can eat? It's actually a semicircle where the radius is actually 4 meters. 4 meters on this. I know that my X actually isn't in the right place. 4 meters on one side and 4 meters on the other. Plus, we've got a quarter of a circle. Plus a quarter of a circle. With a radius of 1 meter. So if we're going to work out the total area that the rabbit can eat, it can first eat here, where we've got our 4-meter semicircle. Then there's an extra meter of string on the corner that it can actually go around the corner here, from here, around the corner there, with an extra meter there. So we'd have to work out the area of the semicircle, pi r1 squared, divided by 2 would be of our semicircle, and pi r2 squared divided by 4, where r1 is the radius of the larger circle, 4 meters, and r2 is the radius of our smaller circle, 1 meter. So then we just put our numbers into here. Pi times 16, not squared, 4 times 4 is 16, r squared divided by 2, plus pi times 1 squared is 1, divided by 4. So we get that the answer to our problem would be 16 divided by 2 is 8, 8 pi plus pi, 1 pi, divided by 4. So 8 times pi plus a quarter of pi. And here we can use our calculators to get the answer. Using pi is 3.14. Easiest way to work that out is to take 8.25 of pi. So 8.25 multiplied by 3.14 equals 25.9 meters squared. The rabbit can eat 25.9 meters squared of grass. That's going to be a very full rabbit.